Okay, this is a really quick video to show you how to clean up your Teams calendar. So if your calendar looks like this, I'm going to show you two different ways. This meeting is a one-time meeting, so you're going to right-click on it, and it's going to say Remove from Calendar. Boom. This one, right-click, Remove from Calendar. It says Occurrence or Series. This is a series. Do you see how it's every day there's one? And it's been canceled, and it's going to be on the calendar for a really long time. So you can just go right here, and you can click on the series, and then it's removed. And your calendar looks so much nicer now. Do that really quick. Just right-clicking, removing from the calendar, and then we have a very nice, clean calendar, and it's easier. We don't accidentally try to get into meetings that are not there. Look at how nice that calendar looks. Okay, I hope that helped.